Hey! What you doing?
I'm on a budget.
Oh.
Why do you think I'm out here? The internet sucks in this house. Get a good breath of fresh air. What the plan is I'm gonna go to Dimitri's house and we're gonna friggin' play some games, do some skits, chug some bleach, whatever you
name it.
You name it. You know. Skirt! Did you wait, did you turn on your turn signal?
No.
Oh, frick.
Why would I put on my turn signal?
Because we're going down a road and we're going across an intersection.
That's
Duh.
stupid.
Other kids, we have about $14,500 now.
$14,500.
$55,000 goal.
We don't have that
So
much.
if you'd like to help out,
Yeah, we do. We're rich.
go to
Oh, yeah, we're totally rich.
WBCO.org.
See this ball? It's supreme. Green screen.
As
As you can see to our right, there is beautiful fields of
This is called Country, Ohio.
and this is a country road, and it's about to take us home
Country
to a place we belong.
roads
Take me home to a place where I belong. Would you be upset if I was a homosexual?
Yeah.
What? Oh! Oh! Dude. Dimitri? I'm scared. Why does it lean back so far?
Well, I have no idea, so. Oh,
Bill Nye's
a science guy.
Bill Nye's Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. You, look at my finger. Look at me. Look at me. Look at my finger. Look at you. Look back at me. Look in the mirror. Look at your parents. Look back at me. And now, subscribe.
Yep.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Skirt!
No.
We just passed my house. Oh.
Oh gosh. I don't know if y'all heard that squeal.
We don't reverse. We're just
Dude, look at the
we're just elongating the
I missed again.
We were gonna back into my driveway. Oh, there's my dad.
He probably
Is really confused.
We is grabbing green screen.
Don't worry, I'm just grabbing my green screen.
Your dad's trying. Hey Dexter, how you doing, buddy? Oh, that's a green screen.
Door. Javelin of freedom. Wait.
This guy by a door.
Guys, don't forget to shut the door when you leave your house.
Yep.
Hey.
What are we waiting on? Alright. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Alright. We just, yeah. We, got a green screen.
Green screen has been get. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Don't censor that. Hold on, while we wait.
Alright, guys.
Anyway. It's the abode! Hopefully nobody's home or else it'll be breaking in every room.
We good. Okay,
Oh, frick.
why am I going to my room? Hey,
Oh,
but you want to
we're-
see my room that I'm
well-
remodeling?
Look how beautiful it is.
Purple with stars on it. But it's actually, hey guys, it's actually gonna, this could be a blue wall.
Uh-huh.
That's gonna be a blue wall. That's gonna be a blue wall right here. It's gonna be like a little dark.
Oh, the
thing.
lighting. Hold on. We gotta.
We don't got lights.
Oh.
But anyways, you get the idea.
Wall, yeah, okay.
This will be a gray wall. This will be white. All right. Anyways, here we
Okay.
go. I gotta go grab my wall.
Hopefully you guys aren't getting dizzy, cause I sure am.
Did you seriously leave that door open? Close the door.
Whoops.
All right, we're gonna go like 90 down the highway. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure. Well, I don't want to be an associate of crime.
I feel it. So we're not gonna go 90. We're gonna go 30.
80.
Here we go. 80.
Dimitri.
Yeah.
How's life?
Pretty good. How about you?
My walrus got hit by a car yesterday.
Your walrus.
Yeah. His name was Dorothy. Short for Donathan.
Short for Donathan? Are you serious?
Dorothy Donathan, yeah. Don't they sound alike?
Bless you.
Oh gosh! What are you gonna get?
Dude.
Gosh dang it, Dimitri. I wanna well, I'm probably not gonna get any food, but if I were to get food, I get a Big Mac.
A Big Mac?
A Big Mac.
That's it.
Yeah.
I can't afford that.
Fries.
But if you subscribe,
yeah, if you subscribe, we'll get some ad revenue, and we'll be able to get McDonald's.
do you want a drink?
I could go for not water.
Alright, can I get a medium water? And then, can I also get a large root beer? Actually, could you change that to a large fry, though?
Sure can.
Alright.
Have you all for you?
Yeah?
Sounds good.
All right. That'll be $4.99 first price window.
All right, that's what's- that's
That'll
what's-
be 46.
Alright, that's what's good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We getting food. Hold on. Fart in a barrel. We getting food.
We get food.
We get.
We get food.
Are we gonna share the fry?
Yeah, we're gonna share the fry.
Oh, we're gonna share the
Is
fry.
that, is that even a question?
Yeah.
Alright, where's my wallet?
Dude, you might get threatened with that big shotgun shell on the front of your wallet.
He's like, is that a shotgun? It's a
Please, just take all the burgers. I don't know what to do with my toothbrush. It's kind of just sitting around in your car.
You use it to brush your teeth.
Wait, could I like chroma key this? Make it, turn the purple into like a
Green. A yellow.
Cheetos.
A black.
Just a whole bunch of Cheetos.
These Cheetos in your ears. You can't do it now.
Oh well. Well, there goes my toothbrush. Come on, you want fry?
Yeah, I want to fry.
One for me. One for you.
Go.
What? My phone! Oh.
I'm gonna let you know that was a fantastic kick. Like, that's what's good.
We saved it. We're back out outside. Great outdoors. Oh, is my phone? It's in there.
You have your phone in your hand.
This is yours.
I know.
Just don't even joke yourself, Dimitri.
So we back out here on that daily grind.
We're going.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Good. Okay. So today
Mm-hmm.
we already explained it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna move all of the black beauty into the blacker beauty.
Yeah, and this is gonna light up.
This is gonna be neon beauty, okay?
No, it's not gonna be neon. It's gonna be like doing the.
Light up beauty.
Yeah, light up beauty. There you go. And we got a whole bunch of screws here, and yeah, that's what's up.
Oh.
Wait, Zuba.
For the time lapse, we have this. It's
Yeah,
friggin' mic
it's
arm
very makeshift.
type. It's my camera.
It is very makeshift.
So yeah.
Anyways,
Time lapse starts now.
woo!
And now we're gonna take apart this sucker. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put my stuff in this. Don't worry about the lighting. All right, flip back to time lapse.
everybody, this is Bro Popcorn Gaming and Breck, and we're here. You can't see anything but watch this.
3,
2, 1. What's good?
Oh my god.
This is my
gonna
computer,
Wait.
and that's what's good.
Hold on. Is the monitor gonna show up?
Look what's good though. Like, do you all
Custom built.
like look at this?
What is that?
Look at this.
Oh. Oh.
Let's get up in here. Let's
Oh,
get up
oh.
in here. Let's get up. Oh boys.
Oh.
Look. Oh, it started. You might not have saw that, but oh, he just passed through. We got Windows starting up. What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel.